before we start drilling, one of the first things we should do is calibrate the drill. And the reason we're doing that is to make sure that we get the desired seed rate that we require into the seed bed, so it gives us the best chance to get the optimum crop. The other thing it would also help to do is it'll also help to check the machine for faults. And sometimes we're wearing parts on the machines and they may not be metering out the amount of seed that we require. All the manufacturers will have their own guidelines as to what you should be setting the drill at, but it's important to note that they are only guidelines and they will change from year to year. They'll also change from variety to variety, and they can also change within varieties depending on things like the seeding or the seed dressings. Some of the seed dressings flow slower than others, and consequently the flow through the drill and into the seed bed can be slower, so we need to be able to compensate for that. All the manufacturers will have their own calibration equipment, and they will have their own guidelines for how you calibrate the machine. On this machine here, for example, as you can see, there are a number of gears here, a number of gear settings, and these gear settings, as I say, are only guidelines, and they will need to be changed and moved in order to get the seeding rate that we require. For calibrating, there is again a guideline here on the side of the drill. This is a 3 metre drill, so we know here for a 3 metre drill, in order to get 1/40th of a hectare, we need to turn the ground wheel here 22.5 times. So when I turn this wheel 22.5 times, it will meter out seed here into the trays here beside me. What we can do then is we weigh that seed and we multiply it by 40 to give us the seeding rate. Then we can check that against our desired seeding rate, and if it doesn't match, we have to change the gears here up and down until we get the desired seeding rate. Otherwise, we'll end up with variable plants establishments.